Hello everyone, my name is Anita Sen, your science teacher from Sri Rama Bharati Public School. Today I will explain few topics from light. So let's start. Now today we will discuss images and spherical mirrors. Now images. What is an image? Image is an optical representation of an object. An image can be real or virtual. The images which can form on a screen, they are known as real images, and the images that cannot be formed on a screen are called virtual images. The light rays falling in a mirror can converge at one point after reflection, or they can diverge also after reflection. So the converging rays of light form a real image, which always form on a screen, and the diverging rays form a virtual image, which cannot be formed on a screen. So image formed by a plane mirror. First, we will discuss this. Now, there is one property which is known as lateral inversion. Now, what is this lateral inversion? This property is where the reversal of the sides of an image formed by a plane mirror, where the left appears to right and the right appears to left on a plane mirror. That is the lateral inversion. As you have seen, when in an ambulance, the word ambulance is always written in reverse. Why? Because when the reverse word ambulance gets reflected in the rear view mirror of a vehicle, moving ahead the ambulance, the driver can read the word correctly, that is ambulance. So what are the characteristics of the image which are formed by a plane mirror? A image which is formed by a plane mirror is always virtual and erect. Second, always it undergoes lateral inversion. The size of the image which is formed by a plane mirror is always same as that of object. And the distance of the object from the mirror is equal to the distance of the image from the mirror. Means image distance is equal to object distance. Now, what is real and virtual image? Just now I told you that when an image is formed by a converging beam of light, is called a real image. Why? Because the light rays actually meet at a point to form the image, and this image is always formed on a screen. That's why it is known as a real image. But when an image is formed by a diverging beam of light, then here the light rays do not meet at a point, but they appear to diverge from a point where the virtual image is formed. So the main difference is between them. First is, you can see here, it is produced by a converging beam of light, whereas the virtual is produced by a diverging beam of light. If you will say, for the real, it cannot, and the real image always form on a screen, but the virtual image cannot form on a screen. Real image is always inverted, but virtual image is always erect. Now we will discuss spherical mirrors. Now there are two kinds of spherical mirrors. One is concave and second is convex mirror. Now what is concave mirror? A concave mirror, as you see here, this is the concave mirror and this is convex mirror. A concave mirror is a spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is on the inner side. The reflecting surface is in the inner side. It is known as converging mirror. As the parallel beam after reflection come from a concave mirror, they always converges at a point. The parallel beam of light, when they are coming here and they are reflecting back, they are coming and reflecting back, they are converging at a point. That's why concave mirror is also known as converging mirror. Second, you can see that is the convex mirror. It is a spherical mirror whose reflecting surface, if you will see, is on the outer side. On the outer side. And it is known as diverging mirror. Why? Because the parallel rays which reflect by this mirror always diverge, and they appear to, they Actually, they never meet on a point, but they appear to meet on a point. Here you can see the rays are diverged. That's why the convex mirror is known as diverging mirror. So spherical mirrors are of two kinds: concave mirror known as converging mirror, and convex mirror known as diverging mirror. So this is all for today. So it's time to say goodbye. Bye everyone.